Imagine embarking on a solar installation without a detailed site survey. It's like building a house without a blueprint. A thorough survey is the foundation of a successful solar project, ensuring efficiency and compliance. By identifying potential obstacles early, site surveys save you time and money. They help avoid costly mistakes and ensure your solar system meets local regulations, paving the way for a smooth installation process. Assessing your energy needs is crucial for designing an effective solar system. Consider your current usage and future growth. Accurate power identification ensures your system is tailored to your needs, balancing energy demands with budget constraints. Before installation, evaluate necessary home improvements. This includes structural upgrades and electrical enhancements to support your solar system. Coordinating these improvements with your solar timeline ensures a seamless transition to renewable energy. Understanding the solar output and coordinating with city, state, and utility companies is vital. This step ensures compliance and smooth integration, avoiding delays due to unpermitted structures or overlooked regulations. Securing permits is a critical step in solar installation. Learn the steps to coordinate with local authorities and utility companies. This ensures all necessary approvals are obtained, preventing potential setbacks. Handling unpermitted structures can be tricky. By addressing these issues early, you avoid delays and ensure your solar project stays on track. Proper coordination is key to a successful installation. By following these steps, you'll streamline your solar installation process. Ready to make the switch? Contact us at NetMeter Survey to start your journey towards clean, renewable energy today.